Hello and welcome. This is Rafi. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create and set up a complete WordPress website step by step using Elementor Cloud website package. As you may know, Elementor is one of the most popular website builders out there, but now they stepped up. They have added a new hosting solution to help us create websites more easily with more freedom. Now we'll be able to manage everything regarding to our website from one single platform, and we no longer need to go through the hassles of setting up hosting, managing hosting, generating SSL. We don't have to think about backups. We don't have to be worried about website loading speed, as we are going to get the Cloudflare CDN. And for your information, with this cloud website package, we are going to get the Elementor Pro plugins, full features, and many other options. So without further ado, let me take you to my computer screen and let's build a website and let's learn more about their new solution. Alright, so here I'm on my computer screen, and as you can see, we are visiting elementor.com website. Now it's time to click on this choose your plan button right here, so that you'll be able to find more information about this Elementor Cloud website package. As you can see, one website, one fixed price, no hidden fees. If you just take a look at hosting, it is based on Google Cloud Platform, which is fantastic. Everyone knows Google Cloud Platform provides the best services to their users. After that, we have got CDN, distributed servers worldwide. Awesome feature. Our website is going to store its data, images, videos, and every data into the nearest CDN server, which means website loading speed is going to be faster on our user's browser, which is going to be awesome. After that, we are going to get SSL certificate pre-installed. Then we have got 100 gigabytes of bandwidth. We'll be able to connect custom domain name with our website, which I'm going to walk you through how to connect a custom domain name with your Elementor hosted website step by step by the last part of this video. Then we have got drag and drop editor. As I have mentioned, we are going to get the Elementor plugin, the pro features. Everything will be available, including live editing, 100 plus widgets, and every other features available on Elementor Pro plugin. And finally, we have got the CMS tools. As you can see, WordPress pre-installed. We don't have to think about the MySQL database and other elements of your website. They made it easy for us. We simply have to click few times and they are going to install WordPress for us easily, along with all the other features installation automatically. Now let's talk about the pricing. As of now, the pricing is $99 per year. And please make sure you are checking out the video description while you are thinking about purchasing Elementor Cloud website package. I'm going to add promo code if I could manage for you. All right. So if you are not happy with their service, then you can ask them for a refund. They're going to send back the money to your account. All right. So I believe you are going to be happy with their service. So now let's click on this buy now button to move forward. We're going to proceed. As you can see, when you will click on the buy now button, it is going to show you these features. As you can see, Elementor Pro features, which you're going to get, hosting included, and then everything pre-installed. So they are making process much easier for us, right? As you can see, premium support, no hidden fees, everything is okay. Now let's click on continue to checkout. After that, it is going to take us to the checkout page where we have to set up an account. As you can see, create an account. So I'd love to click on this create account button right here. Let's see. Okay, so you are already a user. Please log in. So I'm going to click on login and let's click on login. If you don't have an account, you have to sign up. So here we go. After that, I have to provide my billing information here, enter your billing information. So I'm going to provide mine. You have to provide your information on each of these fields. After putting all the information asked on this page, you have to click on this pay now button. All right, so we have got our Elementor Cloud website package subscription. Now I'm inside my Elementor account, and from websites option, we are going to find all the websites so far we have created under this Elementor account and used Elementor plugin. Now under this hosted by Elementor option, we are going to find all the websites that we are going to create by using Elementor Cloud website package. And we are going to create a website soon. But before that, let's see what we have got under the subscription. So let's click on subscriptions and we're going to find the details. As you can see, Elementor Cloud website hosted, which is active. And we have got 100 gigabytes of bandwidth, 20 gigabytes of storage, which is huge, more than enough. Then we have got 100k monthly visitors. It is more than enough for small and medium-sized businesses. Now let's go back to the websites option. After that, we are going to start creating the website. To do this, simply I'm going to click on create cloud website button right here. After that, we have to provide our website and name. So let's type out Rafi's, or you have to give based on your website. So let's click on next. After that, it is going to give us a default URL. As you can see, rafis.elementor.cloud, and you can basically customize this one. So I'm going to remove this part. After that, let's click on next. And then what kind of website are you creating? You can select whatever goes through. If you are creating an online store, you have to select this one. So I'd love to create a portfolio website. So let's click on portfolio, then let's click on next. After that, we have got this one, choose a website kit to start with. So we can basically select any of these starter kit to start creating our website. But what I'd love to do, I'd love to start creating the website from the scratch. So let's click on I'd rather start from scratch. And it is going to, this might take a second. So it is going to start installing the website on the package, and we're going to get more details soon. So let's just wait. As you can see, while you are waiting, we are setting up your WordPress dashboard, and you can see 1 out of 3. So let's just wait while they're going to work on setting up the complete WordPress website for us. Ta-da, your site is ready. So now it's time to click on let's grow. And after that, we're going to find this option, you are one click away. So let's click on OK. After that, if you just take a look under this hosted by Elementor option, we are seeing one website created. Now, if we click on open WP dashboard, it is going to take us to our WordPress dashboard. If I click on edit with Elementor button right here, it is going to take us to the editing panel of the home page of our website. And if I click on manage this website, we're going to find more information. So let's talk about this one first, and after that, we're going to go here on WordPress dashboard. So let's click on manage this website. And after that, we're going to find all the details. As you can see, site lock is on, search engines won't display your site, and visitors can only access it with a code. So we're going to get a site lock code here, but let's talk about these things first. Edit with Elementor. If I click on this, we're going to be able to edit the homepage of our website. If I click on open WP dashboard, it is going to take us to our website dashboard on WordPress. And after that, we are going to find this one, manage domains, from where by clicking on this plus sign, we are going to start adding a custom domain name with our website, which I'm going to show you at the end part of this video, right? Then we have got this DNS records, data center based in Belgium. Then we have got this A record and the CNAME record, which you have to point from our domain control panel, which I'm going to show you obviously in the last part of the video. Then we have got this site lock option. That means when we are going to work on the website, when it is on modification mode, no one, even Google, should not visit the site. Google should not crawl the site and put it on the search engine, right? So we'll be able to provide this pin code to any of our visitor or any of the person who we want to give access to, so that whenever they will visit the site by using our domain name, they have to put this pin code and they will be able to access the contents of the website, right? And after that, we have got backups. By default, Elementor is going to take backups in every 24 hours for us, which is automatic. But if you want to create any manual backup, we'll be able to do this by clicking on this create new backup. It works when we make any major change on the website. So if anything goes wrong, we can simply go back to our previous version. As you can see, from automatic backup, we are seeing this restore button, we are seeing this export button. That means we'll be able to export our website backup, and if needed, we can delete any specific backup from this list. After that, we have got this debugging and troubleshooting option, which are technical stuff, and we'll be able to reset the WordPress login attempts. As you can see, this reset applies to all usernames and IP addresses, right? These are technical stuffs. Then we have got WordPress and script debugging. If we enable this feature, it is going to show us if there is any PHP error, if there is any warning on our website, and so on. So let's move on. Let me take you here on on open WP dashboard so that it is going to take us to our WordPress website dashboard directly. And after that, we are going to do some fundamental settings which are really important, and then we are going to work on more stuffs. Okay, so as you can see here, I am on my website dashboard, rafis.elementor.cloud/WP admin. Welcome to your website. So let's just cross this out and we are going to take a look here. As you can see, site lock mode is on. As I have mentioned, no one will be able to visit the website until we turn this off, right? So the first thing first, we are going to do the important settings at the very first glance. So let's go to this settings option, and from general, we'll be able to do some important settings. So as you can see, we'll be able to change our site title Rafis, and which is currently given, but if I want, I can add more, learn and grow with Rafi, just as it is. And tagline, we can put something. This is a website about Rafi's activities. You have to put according to your website, right? And after that, you can make necessary changes. As you can see, you can change your site language from English to any other language. If you click here, you are going to find many other options, and we have got a date format, time format, and some other things here, right? So let me click on save change. After that, I'm going to take you here on permalinks, which is really important. So I'm going to click on permalinks from settings. After that, I'm going to select this one. Yeah, it's already pre-selected, which is really awesome. So make sure if it is selected here or here on any other options, make sure it is selected to post name, which is SEO friendly and looks authentic and genuine. So simply select this one, post name, and after that, click on save change. And from reading, we are going to find more important information. As you can see, which page you want to keep as your home page. As you can see, currently it is selected sample home page, but you're going to come back here and you're going to make some change soon. Now let's see how our website is looking like. If I take you to our website from here, visit new page, just take a look. It is a very basic and broken website. Just we have got the header part and then we have got the footer part. Let me cross this out. Let me take you here from appearance, from themes. Let me show you which theme is currently installed. As you can see, currently installed and activated the Hello Elementor theme here. But if you want, you can make the change. You can simply click on add new. And after that, you can install any theme that is supported. Let's say if you are looking for installing Astra theme, I'm going to type out Astra here. We can simply install the theme and activate the theme, and it will be working fine on our website. So let's see what we have got on plugins. So if I click on installed plugins, we are going to find we have got the activity log, which is this one. I'm going to talk about this soon. After that, we have got Elementor, and then we have got the Elementor Pro plugin. As they just featured, we have got this added here, and we have got Hello Dolly, which we don't need. We can simply delete this plugin from our plugins list, and we are all fine. Now let me take you here on activity log. So whatever, let's say you have got some other users managing your website and you are making the change, so you can even see what are the changes, which person is making the change, where they made the change, and you can simply see the details here, right? Now let's go here and let's start creating our website to make it more beautiful and workable for us. So I'm going to take you here from templates. I'm going to click on kit library from here. From here, we're going to find hundreds of beautiful complete templates, which you can start using and customizing to make our beautiful website, right? And even we can select from categories. As you can see, if we are looking for creative templates here, simply we can select this one, creative, and we're going to find, as you can see, the first one, digital marketing agency. If you are creating a website for any digital marketing agency, you can select this template and start using it. If you are creating a website for, let's say, an wedding photographer, you can simply select this template and so on. We have got many other templates. As you can see, digital and technology design school. We have got portrait photography, tattoo studio, and many other options here. Like this way, we are going to be able to select, if we want to create a blog, we can select this blog so that it is going to show us all the templates about blog websites. As you can see here, this is a beautiful one, and if you are looking for creating a website for traveling, you are going to be able to use these templates as well. Beautiful. Now let me just start creating a website from under portfolio and CV, and let's see which template I'd love to go with. You can select based on your needs. So I'd love to go with the first one. So let's see how it is going to look like. So let's click on view demo, and it is going to show us how this website is going to look like on a computer screen. And after that, we'll have the option to see how it is going to look like on a tablet device. As you can see, just take a look. These are the menus, and they have got all of these options looking really great. So it is a responsive template. So let's click on mobile device, and we're going to find how it is going to look like on mobile device. So it looks good. So I'm going to go back here on desktop view, and after that, as I have loved this design, I'm going to click on apply kit so that I'll be able to start using this template. So let's click on apply all, and as you can see, first enable unlimited file uploads. Yes, I'm going to enable this one. So setting up your kit, it is going to take few minutes, or that's a few seconds, and you'll be able to start customizing the template to make it ours. All right, so here we go. Your kit is now live on your site. That means the website template has been installed on our website, and we have got these elements. As you can see, global colors, global fonts, typography, buttons, images, and many other options. And we have got 6 pages, 6 navigation menu items added to our website. Now, if I click on this See It Live button right here, we are going to be able to see how our website is currently looking like. And let me take you here on home. We're going to see how the home page is going to look like. And apart from this logo, which I'm going to make change soon, we have got this menu item added. We have got this beautiful website along with this image and text. And here we go, the home page, right? Now, if I take you to about page, you can see how our about page is looking like. We have got all the pages added with the contents, right? Just take a look. Now, we'll be able to customize everything. We'll be able to replace images, replace contents depending on our needs. So whatever template you chose, you can customize everything based on your needs. So let me take you back to the home page, and from here, I'd love to start customizing the template by changing the logo. To change the logo, simply I'm going to click on this customize option right here. After that, it is going to take us here on this customizing panel. From here, I'm going to select or click on site identity, and from here I'll be able to select the logo. So let's click on select logo, and we're going to click on upload files, and I'm going to click on select files, and I'm going to upload this logo into the website. So let's click on open. It is going to be uploaded, and now you have to provide your alternative text, caption, description optimized with SEO. So to save time, I'm going to skip them as of now. So let's click on select. After that, you're going to find this crop image option. I don't want to crop this image, so I'm going to click on skip cropping, and it is going to be loaded here within seconds. Just take a look. We have got our logo added. So this is the process how you have to change your logo on your website. Now let's click on publish. And after that, I'm going to click on this cross icon, and here we go. Now let's say you want to add or remove any element from these menu items. So how can you add a menu? Let's say you want to create a blog page where you are going to make posts. You're going to add more contents on your website, and these are going to be blog contents. How can we add a blog option here, and how we can add this into this menu bar? So the process is simple. First of all, we have to create the blog page. So let me take you back here on the dashboard. After that, we are going to pages, and let's click on add new. After that, I'm going to type out blog. After that, I'm going to click on publish. Let's click on publish, and the blog page has been added. Now we have to go here on appearance. From menus, we are going to find the option to add the blog page. As you can see, we have created the blog page now, so it is showing us the most recent. But if you're not seeing this one here, you can click on view all, and you're going to find all of the pages that you have created. So under this page, you can even add posts as your menu item, custom link, and categories as your menu item, depending on your need. So I'm going to select the blog page from here, and let's click on to menu. After that, we have to click on save menu. And if you just notice, the blog page is added after the contact. So if I visit the website, you can see the blog is added after the contact page. So I don't want this looking like that. So I want the blog before contact or after the about. So let me show you how you can adjust these settings. So let's go back here on the menus. After that, we can simply drag this. Just take a look. I've dragged and dropped for contact. If you want, you can even put it after about. Depending on your need, you can simply customize these settings. So let's click on save menu. And here we go, menu saved. Now if I reload this page, we are going to see the blog page has been added here after the about. So if I click on blog, we are going to see the default things, as we didn't added the settings. And one important setting that I'd love to mention about the home page and the blog post. So now we have to go here on settings, and from reading, we are going to select which one is going to be our home page. So from here, we're going to select our home page, which is going to be obviously the home, and the post page, it is going to be obviously the blog page. So whenever we'll make any new post, it is going to be show up on the blog page. Now let's click on save change, and let's go back, let's reload. Everything should be looking fine. Just take a look, we have got this blog and it just appeared here, and we can even customize how the blog post should look, how this page should look, everything using Elementor. Right now, let me take you back to home page, and I'm going to show you how to customize the elements of the website to make it working for us. So let's say I want to make some change on this one. As you can see, New York based wedding photographer. I'd love to say Bangladesh based wedding photographer, as I am from Bangladesh. So I'm going to click on edit with Elementor button right here, and after that, it is going to populate or show us the Elementor editing panel for the home page. And after that, to make the change on any element, simply we have to click on the element. For instance, I want to make change here on this text, so I'm going to click here. Just take a look, we are seeing this content editing panel. So I'm going to type out Bangladesh based wedding photographer. Just take a look, the changed it been changed, and then let's keep it to creative photography, or if you want, you can simply click here so that you'll be able to make the change for this one as well. Just take a look. So I'd love to keep this as it is. Now let's say I want to change this name. Instead of Roberta Jones, I'd love to put my name. So I'm going to select the name. I'm going to type out Ajharul Rafi. Just take a look, my name has been entered. Now I want it to the next line. So I can simply put beer, and just take a look, we have got this one entered here. Now, how can you change the image? Let's say I want to change this image from here. Simply, you have to click on this image. After that, you have to click on this delete icon to remove this image. Then click on choose image, and then you can upload an image from your computer by following the process, or you can even choose an image from media library, as you can see here. So let's say I want to add this image as an example. Let's click on insert media. It is going to be added here, right? Now let's say I want to upload an image. How can I do this? Simple. Let's say I want to change this image. I'm going to click on this image. After that, I'm going to click on this delete, and then let's click on choose image, and I'm going to click on upload files. Let's click on select files, and then I'm going to upload an image from my computer. So let's say this one, just as an example. I don't think how it is going to look like, but yep, this one. Let's see how it is going to look like. It doesn't matter how it is going to look like, because I'm just explaining how it is going to work. So make sure you are providing the alternative text, caption, description for your image so that it will work fine for SEO or search engine optimization. So let me click on insert media, and it should appear here. Just take a look, we are seeing the image appeared here. Now, after making any change, make sure you are clicking on this update button so that the change will be saved and you won't lose the data, right? So this is basically how not only on this page you can make change on anywhere of this website. Even if you want, you can add a new section by clicking on this plus icon, and then let's click on this library, so that you'll be able to add blocks. As you can see, 404 and many other blocks appearing here. Depending on your needs, simply you can add them, right? You can choose from your templates if you have got any template created, or you can select any pre-default pre-designed page as well to add on your website. So let me show you from, let's say if I cross this out. So I'm going to click on this plus icon, and after that I'm going to click on this plus, so that I'll be able to take sections. As you can select your structure, I want 2-column structure, and I can put some custom elements here. Let's say I want an image here, and I'm going to choose an image. Let's say this one as an example, and I can put my title and other information here. If I click here, it is going to show me the title. Just take a look, I've got the title. Now I'll be able to customize this based on my need, right? So I can keep it to center, vertical alignment, let's say middle. Just take a look, center. I can even put more elements here on this side, right? Now I'm going to cross this out. This is how basically you can add more contents on your website. Now let me show you how you can make change on other pages. So after making any change, simply click on update, so that the change will be saved. And now I'm going to take you to my dashboard, WordPress dashboard, and let's say how we can make change on any other page. So from page, I'm going to click on page. We're going to find, let's say on contact page, I want to add some content. So let's click on edit with Elementor. After that, I want to make change on email. Just take a look here. You can change anything. If you want, you can change this layout as well, this gallery. If you click here, you're going to find the editing panel. Simply you can choose how many images you want to show in each column, how many images or which image you have to select. Just take a look. After clicking on this editing panel or icon, we're going to be able to delete. You're going to be able to add new image here, upload new image and add to this gallery to show to your visitors. So this is basically how you have to customize. So let me simply show you how you can put your information here. So I'm going to put my email address here. So let me type out mdrafi9@gmail.com, and just take a look. If you want, you can change the phone number as well. Simply you have to add the contents. That's it, 1, 2, 3, and this is the phone number. So this is basically how you'll be able to change any element of your website. So now let me show you how you can work on the buttons, how you can change the button text, etc. So let me take you back to the home page of this website. So I'm going to pages, and from home page I'm going to click on edit with Elementor, and come on, here we go. I'm saying this one button. So I'm going to click on this button element. Just take a look. It is showing us edit button, the button element. And if you have got some pre-default designs for button styling, you can simply select them so that the styling will be appeared here. But as I'm seeing there is no style provided, so I can simply keep it to default. And here, button text, as you can see here, view portfolio. Instead of portfolio, if you want to type out learn more, just take a look, the change happened here. Now if you want to change this to something else, I'm going to type out, let's say my website URL. I'm going to copy this, I'm going to paste this. Now if I click on update, so if someone visits this page, let's say from here, and if they click on learn more, they're going to visit my website. So this is how you have to work on the buttons as well. So this is basically it, guys. You can make change on any page depending on your need. You can customize everything. You can change the image, you can change the text. Simply click on the element and then you'll be able to add the contents. As you can see here, you can change the button, you can design everything depending on your need, right? So that was the process of customizing your website using Elementor. Now the final step, how to connect a custom domain name with our website. So the process is simple. You have to sign in to your domain registrar account. So I have got my domain from Namecheap. You could have your domain from Namesilo, Porkbun, or let's say GoDaddy, whatever the platform is. doesn't matter. You have to sign into your domain control panel and find the domain name that you want to connect. For instance, I want to connect this domain, rafis.net. So I have to click on this manage button right here. And after that, we have to make sure the name servers is selected to the default one, the basic DNS. As you can see, Namecheap basic DNS. If you click here, you're going to find two other options. Make sure it is selected to the basic DNS or the default option of your domain registrar. Okay, after selecting this one, you have to go here on advanced DNS option, from where we are going to add few records. We have to remove this record first. As you can see, the CNAME record. So I'm going to delete this record. Click on delete. All right. Now let's go back here. After that, I'm going to add this a record. So I'm going to copy this IP address. Let's go here. Then I'm going to click on add new record button right here. Let's select a record and the host is going to be @ After that, the IP address is going to be the one we have just copied from here. So let's go back. Let's click on this tick mark. And here we go. It's just added. Now we have to add a CNAME record. So I'm going to copy this CNAME record from here. Let's go back. After that, we are going to click on this add new record button. After that, we are going to select CNAME from here. Then the host is going to be www and the target is going to be this one. Then let's click on this tick mark. And now we are done with this part. It's time to go back here on our Elementor control panel. From here, we are going to click on got it next button right here. After that, we have to provide our domain name. So I'm going to type out rafys.net, and then we have to select this one, set rafis.net as my primary domain, also create www.rafis.net. So make sure you have checked both of these. After that, click on add domain. And here we go. We are connecting rafis.net. Over the next 48 hours, they are going to connect the DNS records. They are going to add the SSL certificate, and they're going to send us an email when the domain is connected with our website. So let's click on done. Now, if you just take a look, these things are added and we have got these updated. So let me try out if this is currently working. .net, or we have to wait for a few minutes or hours. Okay, we might have to wait for a few minutes to a few hours. It's all right. Now I'm going to cross this out, but now I'd love to share an important information, which is about this setting that we have got on reading page of this settings option, right? So as you can see here, search engine visibility, we kept it selected, or actually it is by default selected as tick mark. But after completing the modification on your website, after getting your website ready to launch, make sure you are unselecting this one and clicking on save change, so that the search engines will be able to crawl the site and will be able to show your website on search results. So here you go, it is being changed. Now, one important thing that I'd love to talk about, I'm sorry, my internet connection is a little slow here, but it's okay. I'd love to talk about this support icon here. So along with the website building process, or if you notice some bugs or if you face some difficulties, if you're stuck on any part of the website building process, you can simply click here on this chat icon, and then you'll be able to click on this new conversation to start making a conversation with a customer support member from Elementor. They are going to help you out on building your website process, right? Now, let me just cross this out. It's time to go back here. We have to uncheck this one as well. As you can see, the site log. Currently, if someone visits our website, let's say if I take you here and I'm going to type out Rafis Elementor, I'm going to try out visiting this site. Let's see what it is going to show us. Just take a look. It is showing us that, sorry, this website is hidden right now. We have to provide the code. Now, let's say you have provided or given this code to your friend or someone, your colleague, they'll be able to access this website easily. So let me type out this code here. Just take a look. I have added this code. If I click on continue, it should take me to the website. Just take a look, right? After complete working on the website, simply you have to disable this feature. Now let's click on unlock site. And here we go. We have got this site log feature disabled. Now if someone visits our website, if the domain name is successfully propagated, they will be able to visit our website. They will be able to find all the contents available on our website, right? So it is already started working. As you can see, URL edit, check DNS, then we have got issues SSL domain ready. So they are currently working, and they're going to activate these things. They're going to go here and activate this domain when they're ready. So let's just wait and let's see how long it takes to get the website working. All right, so here we have got the update. As you can see, Rafi's.net has been changed to primary. It took around 30 minutes to get everything working. Now if I load this website, let me type out Rafi's.net and hit enter. The website will load under this domain name, right? So this is basically it, guys. This is how you have to select a template. This is how you have to customize your website, add menu items, and work on actually get your website done. So if you have got any further question, please let me know by commenting below, and subscribe to my channel to get more helpful videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.